पिछले दिनों ऐश्वर्या ने बनाया अपना बर्थडे, काफी धूमधाम से मनाया। इस मौके पर ऐश्वर्या को एक अवार्ड से भी नवाजा गया। ऐश्वर्या की खूबसूरती के क्या कहने, इस वक्त भी बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत लग रही हैं।
I was warned. I was warned. Love you, baby. Okay, okay. Memorable. Forever. Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much, sir, to the French Ambassador, Mr. Francois Richier, to the eminent dignitaries and guests, respected members of the media, my dear, dear, dear family, my darling husband and Aradhya, ladies and gentlemen and friends. I must begin by sincerely thanking the French government for honouring me with this award, the Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters, the second highest civilian award for my humble contribution to the world of cinema over the years. To be conferred with this distinction is truly, truly overwhelming, and I thank you so much for your patience in according me and conferring me with this honour in given time. Unfortunately, situations and circumstances had us delayed for so many years, but I truly thank you in all humility for making this reality and this honor in my life come true, albeit in the right time. They say there's always a right time and God sets it, so I guess this was now, and I can't thank you enough because it's so precious for me to actually receive this in the presence of my entire family today. So thank you so much. Given the fine company of distinguished Indian personalities, one of whom, of course, is my dearest, darling father-in-law, Pa, but this is such a privilege to be in the closest vicinity possible in terms of an honor being conferred, and also to a lot of the other personalities, one of whom is here, Nandita, and so many other personalities world over. Thank you for having me in your fine company. This truly is special and I treasure it. France, globally recognized and justifiably for its celebration of art and culture, very much like my dearest, fabulous country, India, and as it is also for its immense contribution and influence to the ever-evolving world of cinema, theatre, music, literature, architecture, and fashion. Mention Paris, and you witness the very celebration in full glory with its magnetic, romantic charm. Mention Cannes, and you recognized one of the world's most celebrated and glamorous film festivals experienced. 10 years ago, I had the privilege of representing Indian films for the first time there with Devdas, which was being screened at the Palais in Cannes. And what a memorable reception I was given. Me and the entire team of Devdas, where we were greeted on a royal carriage, horse-drawn carriage, and treated absolutely like Indian royalty. We had the pleasure of experiencing that there, though I always believe that France was celebrating India, was celebrating all that was Indian while it was celebrating Devdas. And I can't thank the people of France and the people of the world who are congregated there for celebrating us through Devdas in such an overwhelming fashion. It was a personal experience for me, but I do know that this was equally the French celebrating us as a people, us as a culture, and us as our cinema. And I thank you all for that. Personally speaking, that's where I enjoyed the audience of the international media. My work got recognized as an Indian actor on the international firmament, and that's why I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of France for giving me that first in my life right there when Devdas was screened in Cannes. So thank you so much for that special memory and definitely a milestone in my life for my journey in cinema thereon. To be invited back again there as a jury member, as you mentioned, for the first time for a member of the Indian Film Fraternity gave me immense pride because I was given the responsibility of representing us, and I tried in utmost sincerity and all humility to do absolute justice to that experience, and I obviously personally came away extremely enriched. From there on till date, opportunities have been aplenty and experiences so many, much cherished, each one so memorable. Occasions strengthening our creative ties between France and India, and therein art, heritage and culture. But for me, this has all been an individual experience as much as each time I get the opportunity to stand out there on an international platform, I regarded that little opportunity for the girl in me to represent every Indian on the international platform. So for all such opportunities given to me, I can't thank life, people, God enough for having blessed me with so many opportunities in my life. I could go on and on. There are so many memories. There are so many special occasions. Today on my birthday, to be conferred with this distinction, it could make me want to go on and on reminiscing, but I think it's important that I end with truly and sincerely thanking the French government once again for this overwhelming honor. And I'd also like to thank every professional I have worked with throughout my career, directors, actors, technicians, crew members, members of my personal staff, everybody who made it possible for me to enjoy such a glorious career. I've worked with so many incredible people, and I do not let go of an opportunity to thank you. So this is one such very special occasion for me, and I would like to say a sincere thank you to members of the media and critics for encouraging me all through my journey and propelling me to try and excel and give my best to whatever I take on, personally, professionally, socially. I thank you each time for your encouragement and for your support. For my ever-loving audience in India and world over, for having given me such unconditional love, support, blessings, prayers and encouragement throughout my career. I thank you in all sincerity. And most important, my family, because of whom my family and friends were here supporting me, and then personally my family, because of whom I am. Pa, thank you so much for being here, for your blessings. Ma isn't here, she's in Vancouver representing us yet again on another occasion. But I just spoke to her a minute before coming down, and I thank her for her blessings and encouragement always. Mom and Dad, I am because of you. I stand here today on my birthday, and I stand here each time at every opportunity that I have been celebrated. It's truly only because of the two of you, my dear brother, my elder brother, Aditya. Thank you for just being you all. It's your prayers, your encouragement, your sacrifice. I always say sacrifice because life on the public platform and our vocation could not conventionally be defined as normal, but my family has had me lead such a normal life on the public platform, and I am a mother today. I am recognizing what it takes, and I can't thank you enough for everything throughout my journey. The love of my life, my dear husband, and Aradhya, thank you for giving me the blessing, the pleasure, the experience, the honor, the undefinable experience of being a mother. And that does, I'm sorry, Gustaki Maaf, that does surpass every decoration, every accolade. And being here with me today just means the world to me. Yes, Babu. And thank you. Thank you, Abhishek, for fulfilling my dream, my wish, being here with Aradhya. I was last year with her in my home, but the honor wasn't, I guess it was meant to be with her here, witnessing it. So here we are. I finally received my honor, and thank you, Aradhya, for making it so special. Thank you all for being here. I'd like to share with friends and members of the media that at least now you'll believe us, that sometimes such ambiances can get a bit overwhelming for babies. So that's why we get a little protective, because they have really no idea what this life and what this world is all about. You know, our music and our lights and flashbulbs and these little moments of separation, I guess, in such a public place. So we'd love to share all our personal moments with everybody, but sometimes we do tend to look after, obviously, the comfort of our babies. So you can see today that it sometimes can get a bit overwhelming and a bit uncomfortable, but we tried. So thank you for sharing our moments together, and thank you for your understanding.
ऐश्वर्या की बर्थडे के मौके पर सिर्फ ऐश्वर्या ही नहीं बल्कि पूरा परिवार इनके साथ था। चलिए हम सब भी ऐश्वर्या को देते हैं उनके जन्मदिन पर बधाई और यही दुआ करते हैं कि इस तरह के जन्मदिन ऐश्वर्या हजारों सालों तक मनाएं।